Hello children, we will see how to solve linear equation in one variable. So what is the main aim? We always should have x in LHS side and other numbers in RHS side. So come to the first question. It says x over 2 plus x over 5 is equal to 3. X is already in the LHS side. But whenever you have a fraction number, then we have to simplify it and bring it to a single fraction. So for simplifying this, we use LCM. So LCM for this is 5 2s are 10. So the first expression, I have a denominator 2, I have to make it as 10. So I multiply the numerator and denominator with 5. So it would become 5x over 10. So in the numerator I write 5x. The next expression, it's 5 in the denominator. So I have to make it as 10. So in the numerator and the denominator I multiply with 2. So the expression becomes 2x over 10. So 5x plus 2x over 10 is equal to 3. Here they are like terms with the same variable. So I add 5 plus 2 is 7. 7x over 10 is equal to 3. Now here I have simplified the two fractions into a single fraction. I have one numerator and one denominator is equal to 3. So whenever we have fraction on one side, make sure that there is a fraction number on the other side of the equal to sign. So how do I make it as a fraction? I put 1 below it, it becomes a fraction number. So when we have two fraction numbers separated by a equal to sign, what we can do, we have to cross multiply. So when I cross multiplication meaning one numerator into denominator. So 7x into 1 is equal to 10 into 3. 7x into 1 is 7x. 10 into 3 is 30. So x is equal to, here I have to separate the x. We use a elimination method. So I bring the x to the other side. So x and 7 are connected by a multiplication sign. When the 7 comes to the other side, it becomes a division sign. So the answer is 30 over 7. The next question. The 2/3 of a number increased by 9 equals 19. Find the number. First, the number is an unknown variable. So let us keep the number is equal to x. 2/3 of a number. How do I write a 2/3 of the number? I'll write 2/3 of the number is equal to 2 over 3, 2 by 3 into x. That is equal to 2 by 3x. The 2/3 of a number, we increase it by 9. So 2 by 3x plus 9 gives us 19. Again, here when you look at this expression, I have the x on the LHS. I have to move the number to the other side. So it is plus 9. When it moves to the other side, it becomes minus 9. So it is equal to 19 minus 9. So 2 over 3, x is equal to 19 minus 9 is 10. So here I need the x, 2 by 3 into x. So x is equal to 2 by 3 into x. So it is 10 over 2 by 3, which is not possible. In the division, it should not have a fraction number in the denominator. So what happens here? It becomes a reciprocal. So it is 10 into 3 by 2. So answer, it is 15. 2 by 3 of the number plus 9 gives you 19. So when we cross check it, we will get the answer correct. Next question. So again here, if you look at this question, we have only two fractions, one in the LHS side, the other one on the RHS side. So but in the LHS side, we have a numerator with brackets. So first thing, solve the brackets, remove the brackets, solve or remove the brackets. Remove the brackets, then we can do the cross multiplication, because whenever we have two fractions separated by equal to sign, we always cross multiply. So how to remove the brackets? it is 2x, I have to remove the brackets with the minus sign. Whatever is there in front of the brackets, I have to remove it using that value. So here there is no number, only the sign is there. So minus into 3 is minus 3. Minus into minus is plus 4x. Over 6 is equal to 2 over 3. Here 2x and 4x are like terms, which x is the variable. So 2 plus 4 is 6x. Minus 3 over 6 is equal to 2 over 3. So now I have two fractions both in LHS and RHS. There is only one single fraction in LHS, one single fraction is RHS. When you have a single fraction, if the numerator is having different terms, that is okay. Still we can cross multiply. So it is 3 into 6x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 6. So this is a distributive property. We use 3 in front of the brackets, that is C. We use the distributive property and we remove the brackets. 3 6 are 18x minus 9 is equal to 12. So I need only 18x. So I bring the minus 9 to the other side. It becomes 18x is equal to 12 plus 9. When it goes to the other side, becomes plus 9. So x is equal to 12 plus 9 is 21 over 18. So further I can simplify in 3 tables. 7 3s are 21, 6 3s are 18. So x is equal to 7 over 6. Next question. Let us solve the fourth question. It says 2x over 3x plus 1 is equal to 3. So when you look at the LHS side, it is in only one fraction. So do not bother if you have 2 or 3 terms in the numerator or denominator. But on the RHS side, we have 3. I said we should have 2 fractions separated by a equal to sign. So how to make this 3 as a fraction? So we write 1 in the denominator and make it as a fraction. Then we cross multiply. So it is 2x into 1 is equal to 3 into 3x plus 1. Because we have to multiply with 3x also, 1 also. So we place 3x plus 1 in the brackets. So 2x into 1 is 2x is equal to, using distributive property, I remove the brackets. So 3 into 3x is 9x plus 3 into 1 is 3. Now I have to bring all the x to the LHS side. So in front of this 9x, the symbol is plus. When it comes to the other side, becomes 2x minus 9x is equal to 3. So it is a like term. So 2 minus 9 is 1 plus and 1 minus. I do subtraction, that is 7, and give a greater number sign. So which is 9. Sign is minus. So minus 7x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 over 7, and the negative sign also goes to the other side. Next question. Solve 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. So as you all know, we have to bring x to LHS side and the number to the RHS side. So x has a positive sign. So when it comes to the other side, it becomes 5x minus 3x, which is equal to negative 5. So the negative 5, which is already in the RHS, do not get any sign change. It remains in the same place, minus 5. So but this minus 3, when it moving to the other side, the sign changes. So it becomes plus 3. So 5x minus 3x is 2x, which is equal to minus 5 plus 3, one negative number, one positive number, always subtraction. 5 minus 3, 2, and give the greater number sign, which is negative. So it is negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2 over 2. Because 2 and x, between them there is a multiplication sign. When the x comes to the other side, becomes division. So 2 over 2 is, it's equal to negative 1. Next question. So 5x minus 7 over 3x is equal to 2. The same pattern question, children, try to solve this. So pause the video and try to solve it, and I will give you the solution. So 5x over minus 7 over 3x is equal to 2. I make it as a fraction. Then cross multiplication. 5x minus 7 into 1 is equal to 2 into 3x. Then the answer would be anything multiplied with 7 will give you the same expression. 3 2s are 6x. So bring x to the other side becomes minus 6x is equal to, when minus 7 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 7. So here the terms are the same, it's a like term. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 1 plus sign, 1 minus sign, it's always subtraction. And place the greater number sign, which is 6. So as a minus sign, minus 1 is equal to, minus 1x is equal to 7. So x is equal to negative 7. The next question. You can see that there is an expression x plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 15. So we have to bring the 1 to the other side. It becomes x over 5 is equal to 1 over 15 minus 1. So we have to solve the RHS first. We have to basically take the LCM because it's a fraction number minus whole number. So the LCM would be 15. So here it is 1 minus. So this number, let us make it as 1 over 1 to make it as a fraction. So with get a denominator 15, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 15. So it is 1 minus 15 over 15. That gives us negative 14 over 15. Then we cross multiply because it is a two fractions separated by a equal to sign. So 15 into x is equal to negative 14 into 5. 15 into x is 15x is equal to negative 5 4s are 20, 1 5, it is 70. So x is equal to negative 70 over 15. So here the 15 and the x are separated by a multiplication sign. So when the 15 comes to the other side, it becomes a division sign. So it goes in 5 table. 1 5s are 5. So 4 5s are 20 and 3. So the answer is negative 14 over 3. X is equal to negative 14 over 3. So look at this 8th question. Again the same concept. We have to collect all the x on the LHS side and we have to remove this 2 to the other side and 7 by 2 to the LHS side. So when the negative 7 by 2 comes to the other side, becomes positive 7 over 2. When the 2 goes to the other side, it becomes negative 2. So here I do the LCM because all are having the x term. So common denominator is 2. It becomes 2x minus 4x because I have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 2 to get the denominator 2. So to make this number fraction, we can put under over 1 to make it look like a fraction number. This is 16x plus 7x over is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. Then I can solve the numerator because all are like terms. So 2 and 7, 9x minus 20x over 2 is equal to 1. So I added both the positive numbers. Then I added both the negative numbers. Then I put a negative sign. So 9x minus 20x is 1 plus 1 minus. I do subtraction. 20 minus 9 is 11. But I should give a greater number sign which is negative. So minus 11x over 12 is 2 is equal to 1. So I can cross multiply this number. So it would 11 minus 11x into 1 is equal to 1 into 2. Therefore, negative 11x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 over negative 11. So this is the answer for x. Look at the 9th question. It says x4 plus 4 over 3x plus 7 is equal to 1 over 2. So the same pattern. So here directly I can cross multiply. So 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 1 into 3x plus 7. 2x, I remove the brackets using the distributive property. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 4 is 8 is equal to 1 into 3x is 3x, 1 into plus 1 into 7 is 7. Then I bring all the x to LHS side and the number to the RHS side. So it is 2x, negative 3x is equal to 7 minus 8 because 8 has a plus sign in front of it. 3x is also having a plus sign in front of it. So it is 1 plus and 1 minus sign. So it's subtraction and I give a greater number sign which is minus. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. So x is equal to 1. The negative sign gets cut and x is equal to 1. Then the last question. So now again we have two fractions separated by a equal to sign, but you find the brackets in the numerator and denominator. So always solve the brackets or remove the brackets. So first I'll remove the brackets. In front of the brackets there is a minus sign. I use the minus sign and remove the brackets. Minus into 4 is minus 4. Minus into minus is plus 3y. So this is the same distributive property, but I use the minus sign. Over 2y. Minus into 3 is minus 3. Plus into minus is minus 4y is equal to 1 over 5. Then these are the like terms. Y plus 3y is equal to 4y minus 4 over. Here it is 1 plus number, 1 minus number, 2 minus 4. It is always subtraction. And I give the greater number sign which is negative. 3 is equal to 1 over 5. Then we have two fractions separated by a equal to sign. And the fraction is, there is no brackets. So it is 5 into 4y minus 4 is equal to 1 into negative 2y negative 3. So 5 into 4y minus 4 is 5 4s are 20. Like a distributive property, I remove the brackets. Minus 20 is equal to 1 into negative 2y is equal to negative 2y. 1 into negative 3 is into negative 3. I bring y to the LHS side and the number to the RHS side. So 20y plus 2y is equal to negative 3 plus minus 2y minus 3. So negative 3 plus 20. So here both are positive numbers. So 22y is equal to 1 plus number, 1 minus number. So it's always subtraction and give the greater number sign which is plus. So y is equal to 17 over 22. So this is how we solve the linear equation. Do watch my other videos and subscribe my channel also. Thank you children.